In S series, the Samsung is working on its new device. The new device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 second generation chipset with Android version OS 13, also with 5G capabilities. If we talk about its processor, it have octa-core processor of 2.8 megabytes. It also have flagship chipset that give it high speed with accuracy. But before further talking about it, I reveal its name. The name of this device is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now we talk about its display screen. It has display screen of 6.9 inches with dynamic AMOLED 2x capacitive touch screen and 1 billion colors that makes its resolution full HD. The device is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass. Now we talk about its memory. It has 12 GB RAM and 256 to 512 GB internal storage. If we talk about its cameras, the device is quad cam device with main sensor of 200 megapixels. There are 12 megapixel for telephoto and 12 megapixel for ultra wide angle. Its selfie shooter is a single camera with 40 megapixels. Its fingerprint sensor is under display with ultrasonic fingerprint reader. The device is dust as well as waterproof. Now the last thing about this device is its battery. It have 5000 mAh battery. This device also have wireless reverse charging. Now we talk about its price, but before talking it, I think we drink one glass of water because its price is very high. Price of this device is 3 lakh rupees. Friends, if you enjoy this vlog, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press the bell icon to get latest upload from our channel. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.
Please subscribe.